Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you had a great week. We're back on the 84. Small things to do today. We already got set up, stopped off and picked up a few things so we can get started. But waiting on the ball joint. Stopped by to pick it up this morning and they forgot to order it. So it'll be here in a couple of hours. So we'll swing by and pick that up. And then we have all the other parts soaking. Oh, a little too close there. We got the dust shield soaking in degreaser, and we're going to take the rotors in, get those turned. And we're gonna put everything back together on the front end today. New tie rods, inners and outers, new ball joint. Shocks will be on today, and I think that's it. So we'll be almost done with that. And then it's hot in Arizona, so we're working under the shade. John's already started. Let me flip around. It's gonna wrap up the axle seats so this damn thing stops moving around on us because it damn near killed me last weekend.
What's going on, Tony?
Cracking, lacking.
Wheels.
What do you think, Tony? Coming together?
Sure.
Yeah, just the axle seats here. We're gonna spray the back of the cab. Sun's out. Probably can't see the color. We'll do that later today. Beds together. John Hercules this up this week on his own. Picked this up from LMC Truck, and it came in like everything else. Flawless. Looks great. Going to cut the weld out of there because we had to take the damn thing off. And then this is done. We'll sand this down. Got the pieces over here waiting to go back on. Going to resand this, make sure that's ready to go. Got to order that little plastic cowl piece there. That's it, guys. So let us get to wrenching today. Lots to do. Small stuff. It's now small stuff before we put it back together. I hope to have the fenders back on it today. We'll see. So let's see. All right, guys, going to wrap up Saturday of week, 16, I think. Spindles are in, ball joints are in, springs are in, new tie rod in. We sandblasted, or haven't sandblasted everything down, but we power washed everything down. Got a couple things we're going to clean up tomorrow. Then we're going to repaint everything. And new sway bar bushings will be in tomorrow as well. And we'll put those 4 on. And then on the passenger side for tomorrow, or driver's side, we have to replace the bottom ball joint because it didn't come in today. So it'll be here tomorrow with the bushings. And then we'll spray all this. It'll be done. The rear is done. So now the truck doesn't move. We're going to finish, clean that up, paint that. You going to take that home?
Yeah, fucking it's spilling in the back of my seat.
You want me to drop it off?
Yeah, if you would, please.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So that's it, guys. Tomorrow morning, well, around 12 o'clock. And then that'll be it. Tires will go back on. And we'll get a side shot to see what it sits. But it's going to look pretty fucking badass.
It's going to sit level and low.
Yep.
Not too low, but it's going to sit level.
Man, I wish that fucking ball joint wasn't bad.
Me too. It'd have been nice to see it today.
Would have been done. We just got to, we got to cut the frame for the roll pan. Just a little bit, though. That's it. Probably just take these completely off. Those probably come off and cut the frame a couple inches back.
Yeah, and you want to keep these fucking...
Yeah. So roll pan on the front. Fenders go back on next weekend. And that's it, man. So until tomorrow.
Can you jack that up some?
I can put a little bit of jack on this. How much?
Keep going. All right, that's good.
All right, that's good. All right, guys. Hey, welcome back. Sunday afternoon. We got a couple things to do. John's already started. Ball joint. And then we're going to button it all up. And we're going to put the fender on this. And look at the level of the truck. Kind of get an idea of what it's going to look like. This should only take us, I don't know. John says 5 minutes, but I'm thinking it's more like 45 minutes.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. And then we're done for the day. We're going to spray
5 minutes only.
the back of that. So when that ball joint goes in, it gets pressed in. I'll tighten all that up, paint everything in the front. And we're gonna mix the paint the back of the, we'll get over there, the bed, because we're gonna be starting to sand, and we're gonna, damn, I'm all kind of jacked up on the camera today. Gonna finish painting probably 3 coats of that, a little bit of prime, a little bit of clear on it. And you can see with the sun out, you'll be able to see the color. It looks really nice. All of this is done except shocks. We got to pick up hardware. I'm not going to do anything on that today, but it's all said and done. We picked up that 74 Power Wagon earlier. It took us about 20 minutes. It is for sale as it sits, $2,000. I'll, if you're interested, I'll put the email down below. You can reach out to me. We'll deliver it here anywhere in Tucson for free. And I think that's it. So let me stop filming and try to help John out, and then we'll be good to go. All right, we have the front end together minus shocks. So we got the tires on just to see what's gonna sit. Fenders are not aligned. However, moment of truth, John. What is she gonna look like? That's without the engine. And so another inch and a half or so.
Inch and a half.
Oh yeah. Looks good. Color on the back looks really nice in the sunlight. Looks really nice. Well, this side looks. Yeah, you can see how much it's going to sit. And when we put the shocks on the back, it'll lift it up a little bit. Front's going to have off. Roll pan in the front. That's okay, that's another cup in the truck. That's why I keep extra coffee, John.
Sure, everything's all. Good springs, man.
Yeah. Fantastic. That's going to do it for today. We'll do next weekend. We're going to spray any more today? We're going to mix up one more? We're done?
Yeah.
Man, I wish you guys could see this in the... Probably can't see it from the camera, but...
Over here you can kind of see it.
It looks great. Black cherry pearl. Black cherry pearl. Looks fantastic.
I ran out towards the bottom, but...
That's all right. We'll a couple more coats next weekend. Yep. So I think next weekend we do the body mounts and take drop fenders, body mounts, put the shocks on, roll pan, spray the front, sandblast dust shields, do the calipers.
Are we gonna put the bed on now?
As soon as we finish this back piece, we can flip the truck around and put the bed on it. So as soon as we finish this roll pan, put the shocks on, and if we're good to go here and good on the cab, we're fucking golden to put the bed back on. And then we can just wet sand everything down, fenders, bed, be done with it.
Baby's coming soon.
Yep.
Gotta get this shit to the house.
Got to cut this out probably even here with the front here for the roll pan. We'll measure that and see. But we have a plasma cutter that'll do that. Man, just sitting here without the engine in it, it's gonna, you can see how much lower it sits.
Yeah, it's gonna go down.
It looks fucking great.
Fenders back in.
We'll clean up a little bit more of this for the degreaser, respray all that. And that's it, man. So we have new spindles, new tie rod ends, new ball joints, new sway bar bushings.
Oh, and then I think I got an extra set of brake lines for two-wheel drive.
Okay.
Put on these. They're like still braided, so we'll put those on.
That's it, man. Fucking it. Wipe all this down, clean it up. Rocking and rolling. That'll do it for this week. Next week, yeah, I think next week, man, we'll take Friday, and I'll take Friday off. Finish off the back shocks. Drop these real quick. Knock out the body mounts. because we got 2 in the front here. Do those 2. We got 4 in there.
Yeah, so
it's upper and lower.
yeah.
So we got 1. So we got 8 total. We got to replace. Fantastic. Fan-frickin-tastic.
8.
8 in the kit. How many you see?
It's just fucking like I thought. 6 of them.
Okay, so 6 and then 2 in the front. That's 8. Man, the color looks great, John. Nice job picking it. Man, that looks fantastic. Yeah, black cherry pearl. It's got like a blackish brown color. I don't know. It's kind of hard to explain if you haven't seen it.
You gotta wait till you see the clear.
Yeah.
Clear will make it come to life.
We gotta clean off the rear end. All right, guys, appreciate you guys watching. We're getting close on the 84. Hit like, subscribe, share. We greatly appreciate it. We're up over 300 subscribers. I think once we finish this truck and you guys can see it, you know, that'll help out tremendously. But as you can see, we're doing this all outside. We're gonna have some high-speed low drag shop, and
Anybody can do it.
you can all do it, man. Just got to get out there and wrench. You guys have a great one.